Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Turner with Sunrun Solar down here in Chula Vista. I'm here with Tom Wood. Tom, thank you for joining us. Tom's currently getting a solar installed today. We're really excited. I'm just going to kind of span around here, see what's going on, all the way around. Cool. So, Tom, thank you for joining us again. I want to ask you a couple questions. So, why solar?
Just makes sense. Cost of energy's going up, and solar's the way to beat that. So that's why I decided to do it.
Cool. And then I think you got you decided to go with a battery with your solar system, correct?
Right. Yep.
Any particular reason why you decided to go with a battery?
Mainly because of the new rules with SDG&E and the cost increase during peak hours, and just having a battery made sense. It was going to increase those savings for me.
Cool, perfect. And then, so I got to ask you another question. So why did you decide to go with me and Sunrun for your solar provider?
Well, I looked around. I talked to my buddy Ben across the street. He had Sunrun. He had nothing but good things to say about you guys. I'm a Costco member, and Costco chose Sunrun. I figured if Costco chose you guys, then I was good to go.
Can't go wrong, right? Cool. And actually we have a shot in the background you guys could see right there. That's Ben. Ben referred Tom to Sunrun to me, and we're getting solar on his house right now, and Ben's going to get a nice little referral reward. So I think Tom and Ben already have plans to go and spend that money, so it should be a fun night. Anything you want to add, Tom?
Regrets. The only regret I have about going solar is not doing it sooner.
I love that one. Awesome.
That's all I can say.
Perfect.
So if you're thinking about it, do it and go with Sunrun, because these guys are great.
Awesome. And make sure you saw this video and mention Tom, so Tom can get your referral reward, and then you guys can go spend it together. All right? Cool. Thanks, Tom. Appreciate it.